What is up everybody, my name is Alex and today I'm going to show you a product from the company Xigmatek. I know that some of you may know this company and some of you may not, but I have to say that this is a company that makes cooling solutions, they are making CPU coolers, they are making fans, and today I'm going to show you one of their fans. This is the SC120. And there are many interesting things about these fans, but there is one big negative about them and I'm going to show you later in the video. As I said, this is a 120mm fan and the build quality is great. I have to say that it compares to the high-end fans that you can find on the market. The blades here are a little bit thinner, but I don't think this is a problem, especially when the fan operates at low RPM. So I don't think this is a problem anyhow. The great thing about these fans is that they have 72 independent RGB LEDs, because you know, RGB, and now it's 2018 and more RGB stuff is coming out. As you may seen on CES, everything is RGB, so I don't think this is a problem for you. The great thing about this product is that it can be connected to the motherboard header. If you have an RGB header on the motherboard, you can connect them and they will work just perfectly. I have tested them with MSI's Mystic Light. The thing is that the Mystic Light on my motherboard doesn't have many options, so I have tested them with basic options that are included in the software. The thing is that these fans are certified with ASUS AuraSync, so maybe all the effects that you have in AuraSync are going to be easily applied on these fans, so you can sync everything with the fans and this will make even greater effect in your computer case. Because there is an interesting thing about this, about the blades of the fan. They have a little cut on them, so it will help the airflow, which in this case is 52 cubic feet per minute, and they will give an interesting lighting effect because, as I said, the blades are completely transparent, so you can see through them and the lighting effect from them is really good. If you don't have an RGB connector on the motherboard, don't be sad about this, because these fans can work with external controller, which is pretty good. I have tested them. In Bulgaria there is a variation of Gelid Solution products, so I have tested them with Gelid Solution's RGB controller and they were working just fine. But there is another thing, you cannot make whatever color you want because the RGB controller has few options on it. It has preset colors, it has preset effects, and you are limited to these effects, so you have to keep this in mind. The other thing that I can say about these fans are that the cables are quite long. You can manage them very good, but here comes the con of these fans. The Molex connector. Why on earth are you putting a Molex connector directly on the fan cable? This is insane. In 2018, almost all the new motherboards come with 3 to 6 system fan connectors on the motherboard, and I don't see a logical explanation for the thing that they put a Molex connector on the fan. Okay, if you want to include a Molex connector, just make it on a separate cable, include it in the box, or offer it as a separate purchase, but do not put it on the cable, because I have tried so hard to manage my cables in the case and I have a Molex connector right in the middle of the motherboard because there is my system fan input, and why on earth do I need a Molex connector? I don't know. This is the thing that frustrated me at first place, and I don't think there is a second thing that is not good about these fans actually. There is something about the RPM of the fans. The interesting thing is that if you connect it to the 3-pin connector to the motherboard as a system fan, the fan is going to work at 1200 RPM plus minus 200. And if you are going to use it as a CPU cooler fan, which is possible, you can plug it in the CPU cooler connector, then the RPM is variable. It starts from 800 and the maximum is 2000 RPM, which is really good. And as I said, the fans are completely silent, mainly because Xigmatek has a patented technology that is integrated in these fans, so something with the ball bearing of the fan. And the other thing is that it has rubber grommets on the mounting place, so it won't vibrate to the metal case. I don't see many fans that in this price range to have something like this. In Bulgaria the price is about 10 euro, which is pretty good. I have to say that these fans for 10 euro are quite good. My overall opinion is that these fans are really good. I like them because of the price, I like them because of the RGB, I like them because they are silent. The airflow is a little bit less than the NZXT fans that are coming with the S340 Elite, but I don't think this is some kind of pain, because if you don't have a monstrous hardware in the computer that is going to be working at 90 degrees all the time, or you're mining with the card on the computer, I don't think this is a problem for you. So guys, thank you again for watching. If you like the video, please smash the thumbs up button, subscribe for my channel, because in this way you contribute to me and my channel, so I can show you more tech, I can show you more interesting things, I can show you more RGB if you want, of course, and I can grow the channel to be helpful to the audience, of course, because my main idea is to give you information about products that I like, about products that I've tested. So thank you again for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.